All right, we kick off our four-state birthday list this morning with Annabelle Fagan, who's now 7 strong. Happy birthday, Annabelle.
In Quapaw, Ray Dollison, nice catches, plural. And Ray celebrating number 12.
All right. And we've got Trinity Harms, who's now sweet 16. Pretty picture there in Joplin.
Got a 40th birthday celebration for Rory Chapman. Great looking photo right there, Rory. Congratulations and happy birthday in Fort Scott.
I love that picture. And Angela Meyer-Schloop is turning 46 years old this year. Happy birthday to Angela in Shell City. Her birthday actually was yesterday, with love from Mom, Doug, family, and friends.
And a big birthday in commerce is Eva Lou Smith. She is celebrating her 90th. Miss Eva Lou wants you to have a marvelous, marvelous day. Look at that. She's like, give me my coffee, give me my purse. I got stuff to do, hey Slip. Don't slow me down. Happy birthday, Eva Lou.
All right. And we got a couple of employees at Medical Lodges.
Yo, Medical Lodge.
Kaylee Fitz and Denise Zook. Happy birthday to both of you.
Party on there at Medical Lodges today. That's great. Yvonne Gettle. A happy birthday to Yvonne in Columbus, and Lauren Schmelzer celebrating the big number 20 as well. Lauren is in Columbus. Now, Paula Strange Hodge, she is celebrating her 54th. Now, her birthday was yesterday. We're going to do it today. But if you see Paula Strange Hodge, wish her a happy birthday because she just moved into our area, and she's looking for a couple of her cousins to try to reconnect. So if you know Paula Strange Hodge, go ahead and give her a holler and look her up. So Paula, best of luck to you on that. And Harley Babb turning 25. A special birthday wish to Harley in Miami. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a member of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com/birthdays and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Cloud cover really slowing us down.